Hello everyone, welcome to Skills Build Training YouTube channel. Myself Muhammad Zubair, and this channel is all about showing you how to become an IT pro really fast. So the topic of today's video is how to create a really easy data entry form in Excel, no VBA. So without any further ado, let's get started. So basically, I'll show you that how you can create a data entry form, but I'll show you without using any VBA code or clicks. I will make a very easy data entry form with the help of just few clicks. So here you can see I have some headings, or you can say I have some table headers, and down here I will put some information regarding all of these. So let's say if I need to enter the data, so I will write here serial number as 1, type would be video, and date would be, let's say, 1/2/2021, and is it uploaded or not, I will write here yes. Views, let's say 45,000, and then presenter is female, and for duration, let's say 12 minutes. This is how we can add the data in our Excel sheet. But what if I have to edit this one? So what I will do, I will edit this like this one. But we want a more convenient way. For that, we will convert this into a form. But before that, we have to convert all of this into a table. So to do that, just click on any one of these in your data and just press Ctrl T. And here it says my table has headers. Obviously, my first row is my headers. So that is why I will just click on OK. And now you can see our table has been just created successfully. At the moment, my data is not aligned centrally. So I will just select all of these and I will just align it into the center, and now it is looking much better. And as you can see here, we are missing O from serial number. So we will readjust it. I will do the same over this one. And to do that, there is one shortcut, and that is when you see this double-headed arrow with a horizontal line, just double click on your column and it will take the space as per its need. Just like here in views, if I double click on it, here you can see it has readjusted it on its own. I'll do the same over this one and with this one as well. Now, as we are done with all the settings and alignment, now what we need a form with the help of which we can enter the data into this table. To do that, we need to have a small button, or you can say a shortcut key here. But at the moment, we do not have that. For to do that, just click on this drop down arrow which says customize quick access toolbar, and from here just click on this more commands option. From here, as we know that this is not a popular command, that is why click on this drop down arrow and click on commands not in the river. After that, as we know that all these commands are sorted in alphabetical order, so that is why scroll down and go into the F section. Here it is. Click on form and click on add, and here you can see form has been added successfully here. After that, just click on OK, and here you can see we have a small icon of form. Now we are ready to add information into this table. So just click on this form icon, and here it is. Here you can see we have a small window open having same headers like there. Here we have serial number, type, date, upload, views, and here we have everything same. In case if you want to add a new data or new information, just click on this button which says new, and here we will write the information. I will write here 2, type would be article, and for date I would write here 2/1/2021, and after that we have uploaded. For uploaded, I will write here yes, and for views, let's say I will write here 20,000. Presenter is male, and for duration, I will just write here 10. Well, as this is an article, but I want to have an idea that it is equivalent to 10 minutes of video. So that is why I have written here 10 minutes. Just hit enter or you can click on this new record. In both ways, this data will get entered or will get added into this table. Let's say I hit enter, and here you can see we have the data added successfully. Now let's add one more data into our table using this data form. And one more thing which is very interesting here, and that is here you can see we have a data form written here, and here you can see we have the same name as our sheet. So if you change your sheet name from here, your form name will also get changed. So this is a really cool thing. Now for my type, I will write here video, and for date I will write here 3/1/2021, and for uploaded I will write yes, let's say no. And for my views I will write here no views because it is not uploaded yet. And for my presenter I will write here female, and for duration I will write, let's say it is estimated that it will be of 15 minutes. And now let's click on this new button. Now in case if you want to go to the previous record, just click on it and here we are. In case if you want to change any of these values or any of this data, just click on the field and just write here your information. I will write here yes. Now let's say if you want to undo this and you want to go back to no, you just need to click on this button which says restore. But before that, obviously if it is uploaded, there must be some views. Let's say there are 34,000 views, and now the presenter is male, it was not female. So I will just write here male. And now if I click on this restore button, here you can see everything has been changed to its original state. So this is how you can restore, or you can say you can redo, or you can say you undo your changes. And here you can see we have a scroll bar. If you scroll it up, it will take back to you to your previous data or previous record. And here you can see we are on to our second one, and if we go further up, we are on to our first one. Now let's say you want to search for something particular, or you want to search for a particular row of data with some particular criteria. For that, just click on this button which says criteria. I will just click on it. Whether you want to search with the serial number or type or date or uploaded or views or presenter. I want to search for a particular data in which we have uploaded as no. So I will just write here no, and now I will click on find next. And here we have the data which is serial number 3rd, in which we have uploaded as no. And here you can see we have serial number 3rd, and in that we have uploaded as no. Now let's have another criteria. And now what I will do, I will delete this one. And now for my views, I will write here greater than 15,000. Means I want those data to be appeared here which have views more than 15,000. And now if I click on find previous, here you can see we have data with serial number 1 having 44,000 of views. Obviously it is greater than 15,000. If I click on next one, and here we have the other data with having more than 15,000 views. So this is how you can inspect your data using this data form as well. In case if you want to delete any particular row of data, you just need to go to that row. For example, I am on my 3rd one, and if I just click on this delete button, and here it says display record will be permanently deleted. It means I have to be sure if I want to delete it or not. I will click on OK, and here you can see whole row of data is gone. Now you might have seen and you might have feel that it is really easy to enter the data like this using our form, but there are some shortcomings as well. The first one is when we enter the date, we have the date field. Means we just click on button and a small calendar appear on our Excel sheet and we can select the date from there. But in this case, we have to enter the date manually. For example, if I want to write 2/1/2021, I have to write it manually, and I cannot do that in any other way. This is the first shortcoming. And the second one is I cannot define any criteria. For example, if I want to write the type, I have to write it on my own. For example, if I write here article, I cannot define the criteria that whether article should be in uppercase letter or in lowercase letter, or it should be with mixed combination. I have to take care of all of this on my own. So this is another shortcoming of this data form. And the last shortcoming which I have felt is there, and that is we cannot add the drop down list into our data form. For example, as we have presenter here, what we could do in our Excel sheet, we could have added drop down list from where user or me could have selected male or female. But with this data form, we cannot do that. If we want to have these sort of luxuries, like we can add drop down list, or we can define some sort of criteria, and in case if we want to have a date field, we have to use VBA codes and VBA clicks. So that is why you should be careful and you should decide whether you want to use your data form or not. So that was all about the data form, and now I will close this one. Now there is one more trick which could be helpful for you I want to discuss with you, and that is go to your data section. But before that, make sure you are under your date column. And after that, here we have a data validation field. If I just click on it, and from here, I will select my date. And down here, I can specify the start date and end date. Let's say if I write here 1/1/2021 and I want it to be 12/1/2021, means only the date within this specific limit will be accepted into my form, and other than that I will not accept anything. And for that I will write here error message, means what should be displayed to the user in case if he or she enter the date out of this limit. I will write here, please enter the date between 2021 to 2022, and after that just click on OK. And now if we add our data, I will just click on new and I will write here 3. For my type, I will write here video, and for date, let's say I write here 1/2/2023, and for uploaded I will write here yes, and for views I will write here 10,000, and for my presenter I will write here male, and for duration let's say I will write here 12 minutes. And now if I hit enter, here you can see we have an error message which says please enter the date between 2021 to 2022. And now if I click on retry, here you can see the data has been removed from our table. And now what you can do here, you can just correct it. And now if I hit enter, here you can see the data has been added successfully. So this is how you can validate your date. And let's see if we can add something more into our validation or not. Let's say I click on data validation and in settings, and from this drop down list I have these options like any value, whole number, decimal, list, time, text length, custom. I can specify the length of my text, like if I write here 20, anyone will not be able to enter anything more than 20 characters. So this is how you can add little bit of checks onto your data form. Now at the end, I'll show you another way that how you can add this icon or form onto your ribbon. For that, go to your files and from here go to your options and then go to your quick access toolbar, and then again we have same options. And now I will go to my F section and here it is. I will just click on it as it is already been added, so I will not click on add. And in case if you do not have added it here, just click on add and it will get added into this section, and after that just click on OK and you will have your form icon in here. And with that, we got to the end of today's video. Please leave a like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon along with it. If you have something to ask, please leave a comment below. We will get back to you as soon as possible. Till the next video, take care.